Hello, in this video we are going to study about the complement of a set, its properties and difference of sets. Now complement of a set we say is the set of all the elements, the set of all the elements which are present in the universal set but not in the given set. Is called the complement of the set. So for set A, its complement is written as A dash. So let's take up an example over here. Suppose you have been given a universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have been given set A as say 1, 4, 6, 7. So A complement shall be, we remove all the elements which are there in A from the universal set and whatever is left gives you the complement. So this is 2, 3, 5 and 8. Now mathematically speaking, X belongs to A, X belongs to U, it implies X does not belong to A complement, and vice versa. That if it is in A complement and it is in U, then it is not in set A. Now the properties of the complement. Properties. The first one is the complement of a set is the set itself. Number two, the complement of a null set is the universal set. The complement of the universal set is the null set. Fourth, A union A complement. Now if you look at the example, if I take the union of these two sets over here, it will give you the original set which is U. So we will write A union A complement is U. Number 5, A intersection A complement. Now the intersection of course will be the null set because there won't be any element common to both. And then comes the De Morgan's law, which are very important. And the first one is A union B the whole complement. Now for this, remember one thing, you may consider it as a negative sign, and we know when we open the bracket using the negative sign, the signs inside change. So over here we shall remember it this way. So this will become A complement, negative of union will be intersection and B complement, and the second case will be A intersection B the whole complement will be A complement union B complement. So the last two properties are very important and you have to in fact remember all the properties. Now coming on to the difference of sets. Difference of sets, we write it as A minus B. So how do we define it? We say the set of all the elements which are present in A but not in B is called the difference of A and B and is written as A minus B. So say for example you have A which is say 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again suppose you have B which is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when we talk about A minus B, we first remove all the common elements, that is A intersection B, and whatever is left inside A. So we are left with only 1 and 2 because 3 and 4 are the common elements. And the elements which are left in A after removing 3 and 4 are 1 and 2. So A minus B shall be 1, 2. And in a similar way, B minus A. So in this case, we shall write all the elements that are left in B after removing the common elements of A and B. So removing 3 and 4 from B, we are left with 5, 6. This is what we call as the difference of two sets. And a very important rule, A minus B can also be written as A intersection B complement. Now this is important, and please remember it. We shall prove it using Venn diagrams in one of the later videos. Thank you for watching.